even better. Look what's coming out down there from the valve. That's a good one. This one. Oh, one thing to check is obviously the integrity of the rubber. Obviously, don't discard your tyre for a stand if you've got a leak around the bead. Give it a good inspection. As you can see, here lots of dry aluminium deposits. So give it a good old clean. And secondly, have a look at the rim. And as you can see here, someone's put some puncture safe in there, and it's corroded around here, as you can see. The offending articles. Doesn't stand a chance, really.
What is that?
It's a nylon abrasive, and it's not too abrasive that it's going to remove too much of the aluminium, but it'll certainly take off any of the corrosion.
Right. Okay.
Okay, so it's not too aggressive. Okay.
So if you were doing it on the bike, what would you use for doing that?
A bit of emery wire brush.
You could do it by hand.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Presumably now, obviously this has got no protection on it whatsoever.
Yes.
And it will corrode again. But if you put dry nitrogen in there, that should stay still raw aluminium.
Yes. It would help massively. I mean, obviously, I wouldn't like to say it would absolutely cure any corrosion. Obviously, aluminium, it'll oxidise if you've got any oxygen in there. But obviously, if you've got a high purity of nitrogen, which is 99.97, you're going to have less likely to have any oxygen in there. So obviously, your aluminium, with a bit of luck, shouldn't corrode.
Okay, so what's that stuff?
It's a bead sealer. It's a rubber compound.
Yeah.
And you put it on and let it go off. Let's have a look on here. It's like a rubber you put on. Can you see how thick it is? And it goes off actually quite quickly, so you have to be quite quick about it. And then what you're supposed to do, put a bit on the bead as well. Okay.
All right, just with that.
Yep.
All right.
We've got a different type of tool for that, but they're fine for that.
So with this now, you're not with the bead sealer on there. You wouldn't be putting the tyre soap on as well.
No, one or the other.
Right. So what are you pumping up with now?
Oxygen.
Right. Just normal air.
Just normal air. Pop it up now. The only trouble is when you don't have tyre soap, obviously.
It doesn't want to seal.
Well, it can be a bit. There you go. The reason why we have to get into this state now, well, we've got natural air in there and up on the bead, because I've got to be able to get the air out of there and refill it with nitrogen. I'll keep rub that. I don't want to get any more because I'll knock it off the bead.
Yeah.
Okay? And then what we do then, switch it across and we fill it full of nitrogen. Okay?
Right.
And we'll set the tyre pressure. Job well done. There you go.